friends, this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to a new layout idea video series. I don't know, but I'm going to tell you what my plan is with this kit, and then hopefully my plan is that I'll show you my ideas, the products, and then hopefully at least one process video from this idea, and then like the final layouts that I was able to create. Okay, so a few months ago I bought a mystery box from Simple Stories. A mystery box is basically where you purchase a box full of products for a certain amount of money. I think mine came out to like 50 bucks or something like that, and they give you products, so it's mystery, so you don't know what you're getting. And I unboxed it, and I actually have a video of it, and I'll try to remember to add that to the description box for this particular video. But basically I got a bunch of different kinds of Simple Stories collections, and they were fun. I got this one, and it's a card kit. It's supposed to make 8 cards, and everything that you need to make these 8 cards is in the card kit. And so I broke it down, and it does have some instructions here. But my idea is that I'm going to use all of these elements to make at least 3 layouts. That is my idea. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I got. A lot of these were like pop-up like die cuts. So I popped it off because I just wanted to see what I have. And so I put the littlest ones here in this plate so that it won't get lost. I do have like big ones here. And they are somewhat of like a cardstock or a chipboard. They're not as thick as their regular chipboard, but there's some weight to it. So there are those, and then again a few more pieces that are pre-cut already. Again, these are all so that you can make those 8 cards, but I'm thinking that if I can plan it properly, that I can use this to make some 12 by 12 layouts. So again, as you can see, their elements are already cut out, and so it would make the process of making a layout easy. The only thing that I'm thinking about with this is it has a specific vibe to it, and it's more like retro, so I have to like really think about the layouts that I create so that the elements would match the theme of my documentation. And then here are I want to call it their card bases, so there's still some little parts, but then a lot of these are 4 by 6 that will, of course, fit a regular A2 size paper, or sorry, card. And so I think that because they are 4 by 6, they are a good enough size where I can kind of do like maybe 4 in one page. I don't know. I haven't really, the next step that I will have to do is to pick some pictures with it, but I'm just going to kind of tell you what my plan is, that you will hold me accountable to, so that I can try to see if I can use this card kit in my scrapbooking. The reason for that is because we know as scrapbookers that we can easily use our scrapbooking supplies to make a card. Like, that's easily transferable, in my mind anyways, in my opinion. There are a lot of elements that we use in scrapbooking that can easily be transferred to card making, but sometimes, not all the time of course, but sometimes it's hard to transfer card making tools, supplies, techniques into scrapbooking. That's what I have found. Again, not all the time, and not in every situation, not with every person, but I just find that. So I'm going to kind of challenge myself to think smaller, see if I can use these in my next few layouts. So if you are interested in that kind of mini series, join me. Make sure that you click that subscribe button and hit the bell button so that YouTube will notify you of the next video that I post. Until then, have a great day. Bye.